Good morning. Welcome back to Vanny Orchard. I'm Marlene. I just found another piece from my favorite antique store, Forget Me Not in Riverside. Here it is on my wall. My husband put it up for me. I love it. It's beautiful and bring more coziness to my garden. And today is Monday, April 8, 2024. It's a different day because it's Eclipse. I can't believe it. So we are going to be watching together how everything start to change and come back to normal because it's Eclipse. I got my glass ready. Let me try it, see how it look like. Oh my goodness, let me see. Oh my God, so dark I can't see. Oh wow, look at that. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. I also would like to say thank you to my family, my friends, and every one of you that's supporting my channel. I'm so happy. I'm so thrilled. I love you all. Thank you so much. I doubted my camera. I don't know my camera can capture this. No idea. See it?
Oh, right there.
There's the clip. No idea. Let me go back down to the garden. Just walk a little bit around the garden. Wow, I can't believe this. A clip. This is what the garden is. Oh, 2 more minutes. According to my watch. And where we at in Southern California, I don't think we get a total eclipse like other places. I don't think so, but we'll see. And that's my new piece. Show you to the wall. Oh. There it is. Okay. I need to get my I wonder what the bird feel. There's a clip. Can I have my glasses, please? My Eclipse glass. So we just going to stand still. Oh my God, halfway cover already. Gee, I don't know, my camera can pick that up. No idea. I'm wearing this Eclipse glasses. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's crazy. Oh my God. I don't know I capture or not. We'll see. I'm trying. See the garden when it starts to right here. See how much the garden changed during the eclipse, right? Back to normal after the eclipse. The sun coming back out. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.